It's hard to believe that Christmas is here already. Where did this year go? Each year that passes seems to have its own character. There are always challenges, and maybe a low point here and there, but more often than not, they are sprinkled with many highlights which bring joy and gladness. As I look back over these past 12 months, I know that it has been about as full a year as I can remember. With our participation in the Asia Pacific Cultural Center New Year's celebration, the Chamorro Cultural Festival in San Marcos, our bi-yearly showcase, and hosting the second annual Unification Celebration and Ceremony. In this busy time of year, I encourage you to take a few minutes to count your blessings. I have so much to be thankful for. I'm still pinching myself at how lucky I am to teach and nurture individuals with great talent along with their families, and working with individuals in other communities near and far who have the same goals of perpetuating our Chamorro culture. Christmas is a time for reflection and a rejuvenation of hope for the future. May we always be mindful of the spirits and values of Inaf at Malik, which are respeto, mangingi, mamalaw, sinsuli, tselu, and patkin. I am particularly aware that the success of Gumay Mahi rests upon your valuable support of our dancers and drummers. So let me take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for your wonderful support and sinsuli. I am hoping that we will continue to gain your support and more in 2020. In 2020, Gumay Mahi is in for an eventful year, with the main focus being on our 2020 Guam trip. This trip will allow our members to become more immersed in our Chamorro culture through workshops, presentations, and tours, to name a few. Another focus is to be a part of the third annual Unification Celebration and Ceremony to be held in Long Beach, California. Through the marvelous efforts of everyone at Gumay Mahi and your generous support, we can make this happen. Gumay Mahi, along with all other Gumats near and far, have a bright future. We will all continue to show the world that though we are small islands, we have a rich culture and heritage that shouldn't be overlooked. In 2020, let's be prouder of who we are, prouder of our communities, and show more pride for our islands. The map may define us separately as Guam and the CNMI, but the blood of our ancestors that flows through our bodies are of one people. On behalf of myself, my dancers and drummers, and their families, let me end by once again thanking you for your support and endorsements of our efforts, and pledge to work even more strenuously in the year ahead. Magof Nochebuena, zan Biba on Nuebu, Ulaguinaiza, Pas, zan Menago.
Scissors maasi para todos y se ponen listo.
And Guaiza Hamza todos.
Feliz Navidad and Onion Nuebu.
Then Hami Asuka.
Ahmad.
Then Atso.
On behalf of the Spicer family, we would like to say, Scissors maasi for the love and support you've shown us these past years.
Guaiza Hamza.
From our family to yours, Feliz Pascuas and Onion.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of our Gumay Mahi supporters throughout the year. Thank you.
Buenas and Happy Malagan sa Paribi sa Gani Hamza. Scissors maasi para support and music. Guaiza Hamza. Feliz Pascuas and Onion.
Merry Christmas to all our family and friends.
We love you and have a happy New Year. Mapode, Biba Hanin, Mafanagan, Yesu Cristo. Welcome agradecimento para todo e suporte music. Jesus maasi, beginning e família Gumay Mahi.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from the Bear family.
Thank you so much for all of your support for 2019. We look forward to a wonderful new year in 2020.
Merry Christmas.
Todos Hamzu.
Feliz Pascua sa ating Nuebu.
Jesus Maasi to our family, friends, and supporters.
Happy day, I'm Bernard.
I'm Fina.
We want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And also, we'd love to thank you all for your generous support to Fina and I in our endeavors, and also with Gumay Mahi. It's been a very exciting experience for us to share and perpetuate our culture as much as we can as we're away from our home islands. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Adios, hasta aquí.